Alright, today I'll be solving Rubik's Cube on hard mode. And hard mode is something I made up because I'm in a room with RGB LED lights and they're on a 7-color crossfade going pretty quickly. The cube here is kind of hard to see, kind of hard to differentiate the whites and the yellows at some points. But we'll see how it goes. That pink is what's meant to be the orange, and we'll see how this goes. Cannot promise it will be pretty. And I'm done. Wasn't too bad. Thanks for watching.